Since it's my birthday soon, we are doing the thing where you get 2 cards, it's a mystery, and you have to pick one to go to a place.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Mackie's Brekkie! What was this one?
Wetherspoons.
Oh.
The bus is here.
I've never been to Wetherspoons before.
Yeah, you...
Hey guys, we've got our food now, and here it is. If I can show you. Alright, let me just. And here's the camera woman herself.
Cheers.
My mom. Cheers. Okay. I chose this one last time. So much you gonna spend? I can't read it.
Mankind is that shot with the anime.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What was the other option? I prefer this. Yes. How am I getting all these good?
When she was on break, I answered the phone about 8 times.
So we got something. It took us a while, but this was exactly £20 and budget, and it's a mystery Funko Pop. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. I'll pull out the first one. First one is there.
What's that from? Marvel. And that's Marvel. Red Dagger.
The second one is Pinocchio.
Nice.
But the third one is definitely the best out of them.
And who is it?
Boruto from Naruto.
Wow. That's cool. Are you happy with your mystery Funko Pops?
Yeah, this is pretty decent. I can't.
No cheating, just pick one.
Okay, this one. Manchester and Liverpool. Why are we going Manchester?
That's where we're going next.
Okay, let's get up and go.
Train station?
Yep. Wait, what? God damn it.
Go get a train there.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Well, I'll see you at the next area. Bye.
Which is?
At Manchester. So I'll see you there. The train's gonna be coming soon, and I don't know which one to choose here.
No peeking, just pick one.
Immersive Gamebox.
Immersive Gamebox.
What does that mean?
It's like a place where you can go and like do different activities. They've got like VR activities.
What was the other option?
DNA VR.
What the hell's DNA VR?
Another place that's like an immersive game box. It's just 2 different places that are all like similar.
I don't like the sound of DNA, so I think I chose the right thing there. So I'll guess
There's
I'll
the
see you
train.
there, because here comes the train. See you later, guys. Guys, we are at our next station, and we are now at the Immersive Game Box, where we can do VR, and I have chosen Forest Lava. So, I'll see you after. Peace.
No need to leave the game box.
We are just visiting an Asian supermarket now. Let's see what it's like.
Oh, see you.
The
Did we
larger
pronounce that right?
Oseo.
Oseo.
They've grown a couple of years. I'm flipping.
With the sweets. There for Freddie. What are those, jelly straws?
Sorry guys, right now I'm just
In heaven.
overwhelmed.
Bit overwhelmed. This is possibly the best supermarket ever, right?
Uh-huh. So we've been in the shop there. Got some snacks and I'm gonna try 2 of the snacks that we have.
These are the jelly straws.
It was actually really good.
Review?
I'd say an 8 out of 10.
Nice.
And here we go. Going
Show
for,
them.
we have lychee sweets.
Jelly tops. Right, I think you pop it out of there. That's not a sweet fin. That's a plastic thing, isn't it? Is it all sweet?
Please, 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 please. Is that the boba one?
No, this is food.
Oh, this is food.
This is where we're going to eat next. You ever heard of it?
Soup called Immersive?
Soupco Manchester. You ever heard of it?
No.
No? You excited? Do you want to see what your other option was?
Waku Waku.
Waku Waku is a Japanese restaurant.
Sorry. Let's do this.
I think you're going to be excited when we get there.
Why? Which one was the better option?
It's, you know, the hot pot where you pick what you want in your own soup, noodle soup thing.
That place. The place that's viral on TikTok.
Yeah.
Let's go. Quick. Come on. Pick it up. I'm gonna do that. Please don't teach me. Hey guys, so as you can see I have a big bowl of ramen here, and I'll use the chopstick to show you what's what. I have baby corn here. You can see a little whisker here from the shrimp from before. There's a big crab claw. We have fish dumpling, fish dumpling, quail legs, some more crab and squid.
Nice. You excited to try it?
Yeah. Go on, show them yours.
I got Alexa, sorry.
I enjoyed it and I still am.
Machine. I can't even get through half of mine. The boy can eat. Is it that good? But Finn has seen a boba shop that he really wants to go in.
Please, 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 please. What was the other one? So no matter what, I got boba.
I wanted you to make sure you could go to the shop.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want a lychee one, Finn? Do you want to try a lychee one?
Yes, please. Wait, actually, what?
Oh, it says green tea plus sweetness.
Here we go.
Let's get a close up of the boba. Nice. Thoughts? Thoughts?
Good.
Is it? Let's taste.
It was wasn't that good. I was just starting to cut the video. I know.
The video didn't get cut.
What?
Final one.
Three. Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes. Pink, crispy cream. What about this one? Fluffy, fluffy.
It's a pancake, Japanese pancake place.
Crispy cream. Let's do this.
Final spot.
Krispy Kreme.
You have him.
I'll have biscuit,
Biscuit?
please.
Yeah?
Let's open up the donuts. Okay, we have biscuit, chocolate, regular glaze, and by the looks of it, it's
Halloween one. Chocolate Halloween.
just some kind of Halloween. So, I'll have a bite of mine, which I chose the biscuit. Great donut.
We had a good day.
Yeah. Did I do good?
You did great.
If you guys have had a good day, see you next time.